Hello everyone, my name is Pidi. So today I was craving for coconut and I had coconut tints like coconut milk, coconut cream, and I had mangoes. So I was thinking of making mango ice cream, mango and coconut ice cream, and also using I'll be toasting my coconuts. So I have two kinds. I'll see how both will go in my ice cream. And so here are our mangoes. I'll be using little bit of powdered sugar. I didn't had much of milk made, so I'll be using whatever I had left out. And so this is the coconut cream I was talking about. And here is my coconut milk. So first thing I'll be toasting my coconuts. So I'll be putting my oven to around, my oven is really hot, so I'll just put it to 325 and preheating. And then in the meantime, I'll be cutting my mangoes. So I'll be chopping down my mangoes. These are fresh mangoes and I'll be cutting it and we'll be making a puree out of that. Generally, fresh mangoes, it's hard to get, but as it's in season right now, so it would be more easier for me to make it with fresh mangoes, and fresh things are always better than frozen ones. So quickly we will chop all the mangoes. So as you know, if fresh mangoes are not available, you can also use the frozen mangoes. I've took the Walmart ones, and those were really ripe. And so you can use any ones. You can use organic mangoes or any frozen mangoes or any brand you can use. One more thing I found in my refrigerator right now. So that's heavy cream or whipping cream. So I'll be using this as well. A little bit I have, whatever the left out, we'll see how this ice cream will come out. So I'm chopping my mangoes quickly. Yeah, I didn't have anyone to record my video today, so I'm recording it myself. Yeah. And you know, whatever the best part of mango is, I like the seed a lot. When I was kid, and my sister and I used to have a fight for the seed. Yeah. We don't have to make it really fine chopping, because we will be blending this in our blender. So here we are. I'll be using around whatever the mangoes. I only had 2 mangoes left, and these are the small little pieces I did for our I'll be putting these into our ice cream so that we'll have little pieces inside it. And let's see now how much is left for our ice cream. And make sure you're not using the fibrous mangoes, because those have threads, so it will come in our ice cream. Otherwise, if you're using the fibrous one, you can just sieve it after a while, but that after making a puree, but that would be more tedious job to do. Hey guys, so my all cutting is done now, and it's around 1.5 with around 2 cups I would say, because I have kept some mangoes for the garnishing side. And I'll be tasting this. Is it sweet? Is it sour? These are very sweet, and make sure that the mangoes are really sweet, otherwise it will have sour taste in our ice cream. So that's really important part of the ingredient. Yeah, so let's we are gonna blend this. So my puree is done now, as you can see in the blender, and now I have around, let's say, half cup of whipping cream. You can put more, but I'll be putting coconut milk and also coconut cream. So I'll be using only a little, and also I don't have much. So whatever I have in my refrigerator today, so I'm trying to make that. So I'll be whipping this for around few seconds. My whipping cream is now ready. See, like it should have like one, like this much. This should be the consistency of our whipping cream. So I'll be putting my mango puree, and we need to make sure we are not putting more or less, because so we need to do slowly. We need to fold it really slow. Look at this. See? Make sure you're folding really slow, not really hard, because otherwise it might turn, the cream might turn into buttery thing. So we need to really yeah. See? And now we are gonna put so I'm putting, let's say, around 2 tablespoons, let's say, of coconut cream, and then let's say around same thing, little bit of, so it will have coconut flavor in that. See, and little bit, and we'll be folding it slowly like this. I'll be putting little bit of maple syrup, a little bit, not much. Otherwise it will overpower the taste of our mango ice cream. It's perfect, just a little bit more. If you like more sweet, you can put more condensed milk, but I like the mango flavor and coconut flavor itself. So, and also one more thing, I'll be so if you like, if you want it to be more fluffy and more creamier, what you can do is you can just whip it off for around let's say every 3 hours, for around 2-3 times if you want that. If you don't want, this ice cream after freeze would be really good. So I will be doing for 2-3 times. So, and then I'll be whisking it. If you don't have like a handheld blender, you can also use a normal blender as well for whisking it off. So I'll be doing this for let's say 2 times, and then I'll see you. So I wrapped this off. See, my ice cream batter is ready. So this is all ready now. So I'll be keeping this. Just make sure you're covering it up, and I'll be whisking this. Let's say every, you can do also you can do like every hour or every 2 hours, depending upon how much you want to do. Otherwise you can And after that, once it's I'm doing whisking it 2-3 times, then I'll be putting it in our container, and then we'll be putting some mangoes and our coconut as well. So we'll be waiting for a few hours now. Once we'll be whisking it, and then we'll be putting it all the things in our container. So guys, this is my third turn. So it's see, it's all looks creamy, and then I'll be putting mango bits in this. And then I'll be putting toasted coconut in this. Look at this. So it's up to you how much coconut bits you are looking into your ice cream. And then we are gonna mix this. Okay, we're gonna put in our bowl, and we're gonna freeze this. So it's all ready, and we're gonna put some coconut on the top and a little bit of mangoes. So I'll be freezing this up for around, let's say 5 to 6 hours. This goes in the refrigerator now, and we'll see you after 5 to 8 hours. Hey guys, my ice cream is now ready. So let's scoop it out. I'm gonna So guys, it's all ready. My plating is done. So I'll be putting some coconut, and we'll be putting some little bit of mangoes. So it will all look pretty. So I hope you like my ice cream, and I hope you will try my ice cream at your home. And I'm gonna taste it now. It's so creamy. It has a coconut, mango, and all flavors are coming so nicely. So if you like my ice cream, please subscribe to my channel. My name is Pretty. Please share and please like my recipe.